Yung Pikatan, yan, wala pa ata akong isang linggo. Nung bumagsak yan, pumunta kami dyan. Ngayon, this is old footage, but now it's 100% done. In fact, I'm going there tomorrow. We will open it tomorrow. No, and it was done in just, as promised, 60 days. 2 months, tapos. No, so, kaya naman eh. Basta focus. Di ba? At hindi pagnanakaw ang inaatupag. Kung uunahin ang trabaho at hindi yung mga kalokohan, hindi lang mabilis ang trabaho, kundi maayos pa ang trabaho. At tama ang cost, ang presyo ng trabaho. And again, guys, the future of DPWH is not with me, it's not with RD Joel, it's not with the older people here, it's with sina Yusek Lara and the young people who are gonna come in, we are gonna recruit in the next couple of months. So again, I'm calling on all our universities all over the country, please help us reform DPWH by enticing your graduates to join us. And we will be going on a major road show and job fair road show all over the country in our schools to recruit our young, idealistic, Gen Z na sila. O millennial pa sila. Gen Z na sila. Gen Z na sila. Sorry, apologies to the Gen Z. And so, Gen Z na sila. Itong mga pag-graduate niya, Gen Z na yun. Ka-generation nyo yung aking anak, yung aking daughters.